In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest from your board on Trello. This step-by-step guide will be perfect whether you're new to Trello or just need a quick refresher. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can either log in using your email address or simply use your Google account if you prefer a quicker sign-in. It's up to you. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Trello dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate the Boards tab. This is usually accessible from the main navigation bar. Once you've clicked on Boards, you should now see a section titled Your Workspaces. This area lists all of the workspaces that you are a part of, making it easy to find the specific board you're looking to edit. Select the board that you need from under your workspaces by simply clicking on it. This action will bring you directly to the board's main page, where all the action happens. It's here where we can make the necessary changes to the board's members. On the board's main page, look for a button labelled Share. It's typically located near the top right corner. Clicking on Share will open up a menu with various options related to permissions and sharing. Within this menu, you'll see a drop-down list of members currently added to the board. Browse through this list to find the guest you'd like to remove. Click on their name to open additional settings. Among these settings, you'll notice an option that states Remove from Board. Click on it. You will most likely be prompted with a confirmation pop-up to finalize this action. Make sure to click Remove yet again to successfully take this guest off your board. And there you have it, you've now successfully removed a guest from your Trello board. This simplified process is essential for maintaining control over your board members and managing access. Remember, keeping your board organized and ensuring that only necessary collaborators are present can significantly enhance productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos just like this one. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.